Here's our studio on Terraza Tropimar. It's on Airbnb. It has a Murphy bed, which is a pull-out. Stand up. This is fully furnished, and for long-term guests, the friends and family rate was $550. It includes high-speed internet, 2,000 channels of television, fully equipped, air fryer, Instapot, everything you need, including, did I say high-speed internet? I guess I did. That couch is a pull-out, so it can be used for sleeping quarters if you needed it. Storage here. This is your balcony. Faces the pool and the field. This is K-block. Brand new air conditioner. And a sitting area outside. There's a washing machine here as well. Fully automatic one. This is a brand new kitchen. Completely replaced all the wood, and termites have been relocated. There's a really nice breeze that comes through here. That's a water cooler and heater. Some motion detecting lights here. This ceiling fan is Bluetooth, high speed fan that is. And then the bathroom. Cleaning crew does a nice job on this place. On all the places, actually. A fully automatic washer. And if you close this door, the bathroom door, this place cools down in minutes, because that unit there is very efficient. So it's on an Airbnb for $44 a night, I believe. But if you wanted to take it long term, we can make a deal at $550. How's that sound? And what I'm going to do now, even though this is beautifully made up and my guests are coming in 2 hours, we're going to flip that up and show you how big it is with the table set up. And this is the room with the couch put back in and the bed put back up. And then there's a drop down table here if you want to use this for eating area or an office desk. Just like that. Okay. What more do you need? This is number 231. Hola. It's better here.